Now, the Lord is the Spirit, and where the Spirit of the Lord is, there is freedom. 2 Corinthians chapter 3, verses 17. Hello, beautiful family. You're very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's recipe, I'd like to share with you how to make Ghanaian ice cream. Yes, it has been very popular on this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make mango Abelewalls. It's just exotic, very creamy, and so delicious. Most importantly, so easy to make with very few ingredients as well. So let's get right into it. Absolutely delicious. Everything has been listed below in the description box, so please be sure to check them out. So to begin with, I'm going with 1 cup of water and 2.5 cups of milk powder. In this case, if you're using your whole milk, use 1.5 cup if you want to follow this recipe vividly. Okay, as I'm using milk powder, it's very important that I mix it very well. Okay, nice and creamy. Once I'm done with that, I'll set it aside and go ahead and cut my mangoes. Do not let the green color deceive you. It is so nice, juicy, and very soft. I'm going to go ahead and cut them into 3 sections. This way, I'm able to get rid of the seed easily. So I'm going to use my knife and cut them through as you see on your screens. And voila, my mangoes are really easy this way. I'm going to use my hands to just pick them out one after the other. Okay, very nice and juicy. I love the aroma of mango. No one that is on the list of my favorite fruits. It's just so amazing. So once I'm done with that, I'll put everything in my blender, and the liquid that is going to help me blend everything up is my milk. Okay, it just makes everything creamier. So now it's looking very nice and creamy. We are done. I'm going to set it aside, and on the other hand, I will be turning my flour into a porridge form. This is going to help the ice cream get very thicker and smoother. Okay, not very icy. So in my pot, I added 1 cup of water, and to that I use 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. If you are in Ghana, please use soft flour for this. Okay, make sure it creates no lumps. So cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes, and to enhance the flavor, I always like to add a tablespoon of my blue band margarine or any margarine of choice. I'll allow that to cook for about 2 minutes and then add my sweetener. You may choose to use sugar, but here I love condensed milk. It is milky and it also serves as sweetener, so it's going to even make my ice cream creamier and tastier. Okay, so after cooking this for about 8 minutes, I'm going to set it aside and make sure I put everything together. Now, the ice cream is coming very well. It's going to be so good. Okay. It's very important that your ice cream is nice and smooth with no trace of fiber or any lumps. So I'm using my strainer to just make sure that I get exactly that. And with the mango, as you can see, it was blended very nicely, but it has a bit of fiber. I'm doing the same with my flour mixture because flour can be very annoying. No matter how well you cook this, you may come across a lump or two. Okay, so go ahead and strain it. So once I'm done, I'll gently go ahead and mix everything together. Now, that is our ice cream mixture right there. So creamy, so delicious, and the aroma coming from this is everything. I love the exotic feeling of the mangoes in here. The aroma from the vanilla essence, the milk, the condensed milk, oh my goodness, it is just so fabulous. So here, all that you have to do, if it's still warm, make sure it's cools down, and then you go ahead and put it into their various containers. I'm using my original Abelewalls cup on this channel. If you know, you know. It's been here for a very long time. So I'm going to portion it into each and every cup, and once I'm done, I'm going to use my own sokodia from Ghana, and that is it. We are done, and the rest you can definitely portion it in your plastic wraps, you know, that original Abelewalls. It just give me so much memories. I use that as well. It is absolutely great. So once you're done with everything in the freezer for about 6 hours or overnight, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the outcome. It is amazingly delicious. Below, I'm going to link all the amazing Abelewalls recipe I've made on this channel. You just have to check them out. They are so good, each one of them. Okay, so try them out, turn them into a business if you want, and you're going to get lots and lots of loved ones who are going to support this business. This is what we did back home, and it was so helpful. Roast them overnight, and this is the result. Just have a look at that. It's so beautiful. Make sure you put them in lukewarm water just so that it will be very easy for you to remove, as you see on your screens. And they're gorgeous. It's so amazingly delicious. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to give it a shot. Just give yourself a treat. You deserve it. Okay, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe. Share with your friends and family. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.